Today I'm going to teach you how to book a hotel on Expedia. This is a straightforward process that lets you search for accommodations, compare prices, and complete your reservation all in one place. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to expedia.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your credentials. This gives you access to member benefits and allows you to manage your bookings more easily. After logging in, you'll see several options at the top of the homepage. Click on Stays. This section is specifically designed for hotel bookings and will bring up all the tools you need to find the perfect accommodation for your trip. Next, look for the Where To field. Click on it and type in your destination. This could be a city name, a specific address, or even a landmark. Be as specific as you can to narrow down your search results and find hotels in the exact area you want to stay. Right beside the destination field, you'll see an option labeled Dates. Click on it to bring up a calendar. Here, select your check-in date first, followed by your check-out date. Make sure you choose the correct dates, as this will affect availability and pricing for the hotels you're browsing. Now, if you're traveling with others, you'll want to adjust the number of travelers. Click on the Travelers button and you'll see options to modify the number of adults and children. Simply use the minus and plus icons to increase or decrease the count based on how many people will be staying in the room. Once you've entered all your travel details, click Search. This will pull up a list of available hotels that match your criteria. Take your time browsing through the results, and when you find a hotel that looks good, click on it to view more details. After selecting your preferred hotel, hover your mouse over the room type you want. You'll see different room options with varying prices and amenities. Once you've decided, click Reserve. This will take you to the booking page where you'll finalize your reservation. On the booking page, start by entering your first name, last name, and phone number. These details are necessary for the hotel to confirm your reservation and contact you if needed. Next, navigate to the Payment Method or Details section. Here you'll see options to pay with a card, Affirm, or PayPal. Choose the method that works best for you. If you're paying with a card, type in all your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any payment issues. Finally, scroll down and click Book Now. This confirms your reservation and you'll receive a confirmation email with all your booking details. And that's it. You've successfully booked a hotel on Expedia. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.